Hi, and welcome back to A Couple of Kiddos.
Or if you're new here, welcome.
I'm Tim.
I'm Clarissa, and here's the birthday boy, Rufio!
It's his birthday.
We're gonna show you a little bit of his birthday party because I like to go all out, starting with his birthday banner.
Look at that! Isn't this amazing? Happy birthday, Rufio. Now, of course, this was done on Clarissa's Cricket.
Yeah, we even dressed for the occasion.
Right? We got shirts. Yes. Adorable. So he's here with most of his friends.
Yeah.
We've got a few more people coming.
It's super windy today, so all of our allergies are super crazy. So if I start sneezing and stuff, it's ridiculously windy today.
Right? Let's go see the doggies.
Yeah, let's go see. Hello. Hello.
That's the doggy.
We'll have more as Deacon.
Hello, Dee. Got Taz. Hi, Taz. He wants to be. Go through. Yeah.
And then we'll show you a little bit more when more people will come and other little festivities we have for the doggies.
Yeah.
Coco, are you ready for the video? Rufio!
You should see what he does to my dog.
Rufio! Rufio! Come here! Oh, the Rufio Poopy, look, we got a pinata! Oh God, the dog's attacking me. Rufio, go take a picture with your pinata. We got a pinata with milk bones for all the puppies. Oh my God, instead all the puppies just want me. They all just want me. They're like, what are you doing down here? What are you doing? Go, look. Hello. Hi, baby. Ooh, look at me.
Rufio. There's Rufio. Hey, birthday boy.
Hi, buddy. Oh, get it, Coco, get it. She's ready. Get it, Coco. Get it. What's in there? What's in there? Give me them. Give me them. Give me them.
Yeah, get him, dogs.
You want them?
Oh, yeah. Oh, we gotta start dumping some out.
Come on.
He's like, I want one. Oh, sorry, No more?
Yeah, I got him picking the tree.
He's like, no, thank you. Rufio, you want a treat? You want a treat?
She likes meat eating.
You want a treat?
Yeah.
Okay, no one wants these treats.
Just like girls.
What? You want another one? Here. Get in there. That was a cute little idea.
Right?
The cutest little dinosaur.
Right?
I'm in love with it. So cute. And then next we'll do some Cupcakes. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday,
dear Rufio. Happy birthday to you.
Yay! You want a treat? Oh my God, you want Rufio?
Oh, everyone's got Cupcakes.
Coco.
Got little Cupcakes for everybody.
Coco. Dog the street. Your daddy has to give it to you.
Let's do a
I
little.
got Cupcakes. Rufio.
Or the dogs, we had to use them.
Rufio, got Cupcakes.
Carl? You want a treat? Isn't that me, Carl? That's Rufio.
Oh, no, Rufio.
Down row. Rufio. Oh, no, no, me?
Yeah,
I know what.
Yeah.
Here.
Oh, yeah, so good. So good.
They're so cute. They're all eating cake.
Oh, yeah.
I'm surprised he liked it. Earl never liked anything.
Because I baked it.
Yeah.
I don't know about your treats, honey.
Not into pumpkin.
He likes it. He's going to take his brothers.
Liking
Yeah.
it.
Yeah.
Good. Yeah. So good.
Yum yums, yeah.
Carl, you have your own, dude. Turn
Carl.
around. Carl, give it to Carl. Show him the cupcake.
In the sand.
Get into it. Did you like it?
I'm cool with it.
Here, Carl, you want them?
I'm
Rufio's taking too long. There you go. Happy birthday, Rufio Poopy. Now I'm covered in dog. Alright, now we're gonna open up some of the gifts with Rufio, but I don't think he's interested in them right now. He wants to go play. So we will open them and see what's in them, and he'll play with them later.
Go play. Go, go, go. Alright.
He's like, I'm out.
So, first off, we have this big one here.
Yes, it's from his grandma Amanda and Grant.
Love
and
it.
Enzo.
Right?
Here, you want to open this one?
So, first off, we got a little baggie.
They're poop bags.
Oh my god,
Oh my god, that's so
we got
cute.
little dangly legs.
Did Enzo pick that out? Because Enzo likes to steal his toys at home too. He's like, I'm gonna have this one. Oh, you're gonna get all the dogs coming here.
Whatever. We got
What is that? This little like
little chicken.
little thing from there. That's
You
cute.
get a little fabric made
That's
to last
cute.
longer
And
fabric.
these are for us.
Yes, we got lots of ring pops.
Wanna hold this for me, Oliver?
Yeah.
Oh god.
So it's just the little poop bags that have
So
toys in it.
what's it's wrapped in is looks like a little dog toy
So we
chest.
need the new one because the toys are out of control.
She has way too many toys.
I'll take these.
Candy. Oh my
You
gosh.
want one?
Got more stuff.
Oh, open that one.
That one last.
Open that one last.
Okay.
That's just a riser.
Oh, it's a riser.
Okay, it's alright. This is what put back with. Oh, there's even little bubbles in here.
We got bubbles. Here, take some bubbles.
Passing on to the kids. Go see what's inside
More
this one.
bubbles for brother.
Oh my god, this is so cute. You got a pop.
You got a doggy ring pop.
That's for the
That's so cute.
That's amazing.
Right? Oh, here's another one.
Yes.
Now you can open it.
You got a ring pop.
The ring pop.
And then here's a magnet. Oh, that's love.
And then Rufio got some refills for the ring pop.
Okay. The dog is. Oh, there's more bubbles in here too, and so many ring pops. That's everything, right? I don't want to miss anything. Got the magnet, the refills. All right.
That's it.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Rufio's
Thank you.
still out there playing. I can see.
Love it. Love it. All right.
We'll hold this up so no dogs pee on it.
Boom. All right. So next was from Logan.
Uncle Logan.
We got
And Coco.
Yes, we got a little squeaky toy.
Coco's like, I would up here.
Party hat squeaky toy.
This is from Coco.
Put in his thing there.
She's like, I need to be on my mama.
Says potty all the time.
Party.
Party all the time. Oh, she's like, let me have that. That's mine. That's so cute. Thank you.
And then from Aunt Stacy.
Yeah, she's right behind you. Oh my god.
What is
It's
this?
an icing kit. That's so
What is it?
cute.
Oh, icing
You can bake
deco
with a
kit.
mommy.
This is amazing.
If you don't watch our channel, I bake all the time, so it's perfect. So now
Right?
you can bake with me.
That's amazing. Thank you.
Oh my god. That's so cute. Thank you. And these are from us. It's a little something besides the bark box we got him.
Yeah, so we got Rufio. Come here.
What do we get?
Oh. He got some jerkies. Some chicken jerky. His favorite.
And then Roof. Look.
This is my dog.
Rufio.
Rufio.
Rufio. Put it. Guy, he loves ropes, and we got a ball squeaky rope,
And then this is from Uncle RJ.
which is, these look amazing,
Don't eat them on mistake, too.
right?
And I think that's everything. We have so much stuff everywhere.
Yes,
Thank
Rufio.
you, everybody, for coming.
Right?
Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Give us a big thumbs up if you like this video, and ring the notification bell if you like videos like this.
Check us out over at Instagram.
And a couple of kiddos. Until next time.
Bye.
Bye.